Today is going to be a different day. Usually we feature mountaineering and hiking, but now it's going to be more on trail running. Reason we're making this because it's been crazy times. We can't really go out unless you live in an isolated place or near the mountains, which is trails that are far from the usual tourist spots. That's the time you can run in the mountains. But if you live in a city like I do, this is a place to be. Filinvest Trails. This is an open secret spot. If you can go to the mountains, you go here. If you don't have the luxury of time, you go here. And I'm lucky enough to be staying near this area. This means Alabang area. We go here. If you can go to the mountains, we do LSDs here, sometimes hill reps. Hill reps on Thursdays, Saturdays do base runs, and then Sundays LSD or long and slow distance running. The trails has been here since 2010, I think, so it's 10 years now. Started for just 3 kilometers and then they started dating it, started expanding. I heard it's like over 18 kilometers now or around that distance. Correct me if I'm wrong. But when we run, we just cover around 8. That's a combination of road and trail. But usually when we're here, we do trail, a little bit of road. I'm not sure how long this is for the road is. But right now we're gonna show you trail routes we take. We're not gonna cover all because some of them are really far off from each other. So there's a lot of road segments before that. Plus it's not really scenic, it's just flat too. So it's just trash miles. Alright, that's it. Right now we park in Westgate. Before you can park near the trails, but this is still near. Now you have to park in Westgate. I think this is the only expense that you have to make when you're running here. Before you just park somewhere, you don't get charged. But now the place has been popular these days since the lockdown. A lot of people have been running here and biking here, mostly biking on the trails and the road. This is where people run. So it got popular. They don't really have enough space for parking, so everyone's parking here now. We usually do our warm-ups here. You can see Rock has been training in the background. This Rock is starting out. He's trying to he has marathon goals. He's gonna do road marathon and he's gonna be joining some trail races as well. Okay, just finished our warm-up and we're heading out to the trails now. Okay, we started our warm-up a few minutes ago. Did some pictures here. Then we do some 10-minute warm-up trail and then we'll do hill reps. And after hill reps, we're gonna show you the other parts of the course. Okay, ready, Rock?
Yep.
Alright, let's go. You can see Rock turning the first trail section. See, you get some slopes here, bit of rocks, pretty established trail, a little bit of obstacle course part. But don't get me wrong, they do maintain this. Like I said, it's been here for 10 years, so good job to them. They're expanding it, and not only expanding it, but they also change it from time to time. So let some part of the trails rest, recover, and they make new ones. Also try to become creative out of it. They put some turns, put some slopes, so people look for something new. So kudos to the trail management team. Good job, Filinvest. Oh, muddy. It rained a few days ago. There was a tropical depression, so it rained continuously. So the trail could be muddy, but some sections only. Usually the beaten up parts get muddy because they serve as a catch basin. We just came first part and we already feel like we've been through a lot. Not really complaining, but we're lucky to have trails like this. It's nice to have this, get fresh air, and you can also have a sense of community here. People are friendly, say good morning, we'll say good morning back. People give in, trails, people follow etiquette. Most people do abide rules. We do help this trail to be clean. People don't make a lot of noise. People give way, especially in single track areas. First part you climb here is the top of the you do hill reps. It's about 110 meters going up to this section from where we started. Then people, this is like the viewpoint, the highest point of the trail. So people take pictures here. Now they're putting this because it tends to be crowded. When it's crowded, we don't want to end up taking up more spaces than you should be. Okay, we're doing some speed parts. Trying my best to look fast, but I'm not really fast. Just this part. Just having fun while making videos. Oops. Right, this part we have to be careful. That one, yeah, if it's raining, gets wet, usually gets decays fast. And I know someone who actually had his foot go through it. I wasn't gonna name names, but anyway, it was a nasty bump. He hit his head, but he wasn't concerned. He was concerned more of his watch than his physical injuries, but there wasn't any anyway. But yeah, I heard it from afar. Had to go back. That was weeks ago. That was the last time he went here. Ever since, he had a trauma. Now I had to convince him. To get back here. So we had to pray over, do some ceremonies, rituals to have him find his courage again.
It's my first time back here.
Yes,
Since that
since that incident. Last section of the trail. It's pretty much flat. That's it. It's all passed. It's now 8.5 kilometers. Like I said, it's a good training, flat training route. You can be creative. You don't have to use this route. There are many other routes, but the major routes we covered, and you can go in any order, but the one I chose is basically in proximity with each other. You can even bring kids here for a walk, for a short hike. The slopes are friendly, and hope to see you soon. If you're from the south, you follow us. Don't forget to say hi. This rock, seeing the road. Alright, good job. End of workout. Okay, it's Thursday today. Usually on Sundays it's packed, really packed. But if you're in the trails, it's good for social distancing. Thanks for following us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Good stuff.
Ciao.